Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss a luxury house plan which I have designed for one of my client. So if you need house planning, structure design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. But this is paid services, not for free. If you are anywhere, so I will design a best house design. So let's start guys. You can see guys, this is ground floor plan and this is first floor plan. You can see the terrace also. So guys, here the width of this house is 38 feet, 38 feet, sorry. And its length is 59 feet. Okay. So guys, here you can see we have a back side lawn, also front lawn. So therefore I am just showing you the covered area design. Okay, guys, you can see this is main entrance for this TV lounge. So the first one, you can see this is a TV lounge. Size of the TV lounge is 21 feet 2 inch by 18 feet and 2 inches. Here guys, this is a drawing room and you can see the corner window for this drawing room, which size is 16 feet by 17 feet and 11 inches. Okay, so this is the door for this drawing room. Okay, also this is the other door, so you can see the cross ventilation. Next guys, you can see here this is a small wardrobe which size is 5 by 2 feet, and this is a bath for this. Okay, which size is 7 feet 10 inch by 6 feet. Okay, but here guys, we have a space in the slab, so therefore its ventilation should be inside the two slabs. Okay, so here guys, you can see this is the inner side door to this TV lounge. So from the TV lounge side you can also use this drawing room. Okay, next guys, you can see in this TV lounge these are the stairs. Okay, which width is 3.5 feet, right? Next guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 14 feet by 12 feet, and you can see its cross ventilation. Next you can see this is a dress. Size is 6 by 6 feet, and this is the bath. Size is 7 feet 8 inch by 6 feet. This is its window, small, which is 2 feet. As you can see, this is a car porch. Size is 17 feet 6 inch by 12 feet. Width is 12 feet. Okay, so this is a small veranda which width is 8 feet. Next guys, you can see this is the second bedroom. Size is 14 by 12 feet. Okay, this is 14 feet and width is 12 feet, and this is a dress. This one is bath. Size you can see clearly, and this is the window for this bath. Okay, next guys, you can see this is the third bedroom. Size of the bedroom is 13 by 13 feet, and this is its bath. Size is 7 feet 10 inch by 6 feet. This is the window to this open gallery side. Okay, and you can see here we have the window for this one, back side window, and here we have cross ventilation. You can see two windows. Okay, open gallery and back side yard. Next guys, you can see this is a kitchen. Size of the kitchen is 12 feet 6 inch by 9 feet, and this is the pantry. Size is 5 feet by 6 feet. This is the wardrobe for this bedroom. Okay, next you can see also wardrobe in this room. Also you can see this is the other wardrobe. So here guys, you can see this is the other entrance. Okay, outdoor to the back lawn. Okay, you can see which width is 4 feet also for this. So guys, this is a luxury house planning, and you can see also its animation. Okay, so here guys, this is its first floor plan, and here we have the one bedroom on the top on this stairs. So you can see this is the down, and size of this bedroom is 16 feet by 17 feet and 11 inches. As you can see, same like this drawing room size, and this is its dress, and this is the bath. Size of the bath and dress you can see clearly here in this drawing. Guys, you can see this is the terrace. Okay, so also you can see corner window, so cross ventilation is also available here. So this is a short video in which I have discussed my client planning for a luxury house. So this is a simple planning. So if you need house planning, anything related with building structure, 3D animation, so you can contact me. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.